Hey guys, today we are going to make a pendrive bootable in order to install OS, that is Windows, in any of the PC. So let us insert this pendrive into the PC. So as you can see, this pendrive is inserted. Okay, so first we'll clean it and make this pendrive bootable. So let us open the command prompt. So what we'll do, we'll go to the start, to right click, and we'll open this one in admin mode, that is command prompt in admin mode. So you will be prompted like this. So what we'll do, we'll first do the disk part, that is diskpart. Okay, after this we'll list the set of inserted disk into this PC, that is list disk. So as you can see, it is showing two disks, that is disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 0 is the hard drive what is inserted in this system, and disk 1 is the pen drive what is inserted. So what we'll select this disk, that is 28 GB what it is showing. So we'll do select disk1. So disk 1 is now selected disk. So first we'll clean it. After cleaning, we'll create a primary partition, that is okay. So as you can see, it is writing disk succeed in creating primary partition. So what we'll do, we'll select the first part, select part 1. So now we'll make this partition formatable, that is format fs equal to ntfs quick, quick. So it will take some time and make this pen drive formatable, that so that it can format the system. So as you can see, this is 100% completed. Now we'll make this partition active. So we write active. So as you can see, it is writing this part mark the current partition as active. Now this is a bootable pen drive. So after this we'll close this window, that is exit. After this we will copy our OS into the pen drive. As you can see, this is an Windows 10 ISO file. So first we will extract it and we'll keep it in a folder. Then we'll copy this file to our pen drive. That is, let me extract it. So we'll extract to Windows 10 the same folder. So it will take some time. So for the time being, we'll pause the video. So as you can see, this is the extracted folder where all the files got extracted. This is all the files. So we'll copy all this file into the pen drive. So this is the pen drive. So we'll copy all this file to here. Paste. So as you can see, all the files are copied to the pen drive, and now just we can insert this pen drive into any of the PC in order to format that one.